meghalayapost.news.
Kumgalat Ban Krishan ya ka Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council JHDC mentagasi nakaliang ka Sorkar Jylla kalapalat ban IT ya ka song pisa kablakot kumba sa Klur tingka kabade na ka Bhah Khajna ka bami no Dewiong ya gani ka song pisa la IT do menteri rangba ka Jylla ukandrat ke sangma hakikti jongma thambor siwat bre Chief Executive Member ka JHDC hagabala sekhi langru duba Presiden song bat ma singa balang dhar ki sembut menteri rangba ka Jylla Laban kedua balingba kini kesong bisa bala Bhah lupa naga Khajna jong Dewiong kalongkum kejing kersan jaga JHDC banyo apat bansiu ya ketulop jong kinong trei kebala sakut kumba khatar banai nagaleng ba thambor siwat kum CM ke JHDC lapan pau kejing sengok ke bakrau syaka Sorkar Jylla kebala penmang daga ni kesong bisa ke bakerpang kebalong ru kejing kersan ke barat ba akaban pentulun ya kam jong ke council khamtam kejing siu ke basakut naga benta kinong trei ke Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council
semua kelompok projek ni tak boleh. Lagi yang tempat usahamu lagi di sini lagi yang akan tahu sisi yang macam tu on behalf orang yang kami ini berkemisi kami tu. Tempat usaha beliau siang melalui Minister Sorkar Cabinet Bollywood ada. Sampai kami musim tu malbun krisis atau financial crisis. Beliau kata hyperotrian. Hari ini siam dah semua memandang topan anak dengan sampul mulai pelbau sampul riok dengan sampul riok sampul. Yuk dengan sampul rumah juga penemkam. Hai bolu besar kotor penemkam ini katakan penemkam lebih. Tapi yang joi pelbau beliau sem dia ini sampul yuk penemkam kampung lepas minta penemkam. Saat unsur ini semua ini.
Bandraganj. Sanjay Sangma, our respected CEM, all the EMs, MDCs, and the officials of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. First of all, of course, I would like, on behalf of my entire cabinet, to wish you all a very, very happy Meghalaya Day. We did not have this program. We did not think that we will come here. But we decided to come here because it would give us an opportunity to greet all of you on Meghalaya Day and meet all of you. And most importantly, on this very important occasion of the 53rd anniversary of Meghalaya Day, statehood, on behalf of all the cabinet colleagues out here, especially our Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Nyobalanghar, and our Cabinet Minister, Ma Komeng, as well as our local MLA, Ma Waila, who have been continuously expressing their concerns about the challenges that the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council is facing in terms of finances, because of their continuous pressure and follow-up and their request that some support be given to the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. I am happy that on this day of 21st of January 2025, marking the 53rd anniversary of our statehood, I am happy that government of Meghalaya has sanctioned rupees 40 crores as an advance payment of share of royalty on the major mine minerals to the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. I am sure that these funds will help you to clear some of the backlog in terms of salaries and other expenditures. I would like to, at this moment, hand over this sanction letter to our respective CEM.
meghalayapost.news